Baking with Bella. We're baking a black bean brownie. I'm sorry, Bella. I don't think Bella was thrilled with this one. But I wanted something healthy.
Surprisingly, I didn't really like this one.
You didn't like it?
Like, it's black beans, but it's also in brownies. Like,
so there's this lady with a blog, and she's called Chocolate Covered Katie Healthy Dessert Blog. And she's the one that has this recipe, and she swears by it. We've never done it, so wish us luck. The first thing we have to do is wash the beans really well. So we'll be back.
oh, yay.
Okay, so you have to open it first.
I can't hit it. I know, I'm weak.
And this recipe supposedly only takes 15 minutes.
What are you doing? I'm trying to pull it
So
up.
watch.
You pull it up.
Gently, not too tipped. Uh-oh. I think we just lost our pop. Technical difficulties.
Okay. Eee.
So you rinse the
I think
black
I got the lid,
beans.
Emily.
Oh, really good.
Oh. Hey, the lid finally fell out.
Yay.
I just had to bang it against a metal container. Beat the can.
Are there any beans left in there?
No. I'm gonna do this. So I found out that it's 250 degrees Fahrenheit for the oven. I'm so smart.
So the directions say to put the turn on the oven. Okay, let me start over. So the directions say to turn on the oven to 350 degrees, and then we need to. They say use a food processor.
This is a lot
We don't have one, so I'm gonna use a mixer. And you want to blend your beans really good because it's going to make them better. Have to plug it in.
That's what I think.
So if that doesn't work, do you think it's blending at all?
No.
No. We're going to use the food processor.
Oh, okay. This is like a mini and it's very adorable.
A mini food processor.
Yes, but it blends very well. You gotta mix it every once in a while.
How's it coming?
Good.
Just keep going. They want it really mixed well. If it's not really mixed well, it's
Should we add some water to it?
Nope. No water.
It looks good.
So, yes, we're going to be adding other ingredients. How much water is allowed in this food processor? Is it at its max?
Yeah.
At its max?
Yep.
So go ahead and dump it in the bowl. Hey, quick tip, when they say that they want quick oats, like oat milk with oatmeal, you can use regular long quick oatmeal, and you just put it in a little coffee bean grinder and grind it up a little bit. Good tip.
Also, I have one more quick tip. So, my culinary teacher always says to have an extra hair tie with you, because you should always put it up in like a messy bun, or like a bun, or a ponytail, or a high pony, because you don't want hair in your food. It's not that good. Always wet down your hair, so it's like not getting on your hands. And if it's on your hands, wash it off.
How come you don't have an extra hair?
See, it's just on my hair, so it's with my hair.
Oh.
Okay.
So what does it say to put in next? 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder.
Okie dokie.
And a tablespoon's the big one, but you knew that. And we washed our hands before we started cooking, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Just 1 tablespoon. Here's another tablespoon. Hey, Katie, can you give me a knife, please? Okay. Thank you. I always like cocoa powder because it is fun to play with when you're baking. It holds its shape so easily. It's not like flour, it just
It does.
apart. See?
So 1.
It comes out so easy. Two.
How many does it say? 2 or 3 or 4?
And Melody, how many? I put in 2.
2. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and then a half a cup of quick oats. So the quick oats are right here. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Do you have salt here?
1/4 teaspoon it is.
Where is your salt at?
We don't have any salt, I don't think.
Oh, this is gonna be salt-free. I didn't bring any salt. And then 1/3 cup of pure maple syrup, honey, or agave. So I have honey.
That's a lot of honey.
That's cool.
1/3 cup. You want to get the 1/3 cup
Oh.
so that we don't mess up all the other cups. Let's take it off. So it's not gonna mess up everything.
Yeah, can you hold it? Here's.
I don't want to get my hands all sticky.
Do you need some help?
We got it.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah, and always have a spoon or like a rubber utensil to use with it so you can get the honey out easily.
Maybe use this.
Spoon or something. And Lily, are you eating it?
I would not eat the honey. Mm-mm.
Yeah, except for your fingers in your mouth.
I know, right?
What?
Katie.
What? You told me
I
to use
told her
it.
to use it.
Yeah, Bella.
You can use your finger to like wipe that out.
Melody.
Bella.
Catherine.
Guys.
Catherine.
Hello, camera.
Here's Boogie.
My name is Eli for you.
And then what's next?
We don't know.
What?
Oh, 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Sugar.
Soooooo.
Yeah.
Sugar.
That's covered in honey.
You could have used it.
Here's 1 tablespoon. Here's
Okay.
1 tablespoon. This over.
The sand dollar.
A sand dollar. You can show the camera what you're talking about.
Where'd you get the sand dollar, Eli?
Augustine gave it to me.
How many tablespoons?
2.
My friend gave me a sand dollar. Come on.
Now show them the back of it.
Now there's a little mouth.
It's all blurry. It's gonna be very sugary.
Now 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
I want to open this up, but
I'll hold it.
it
You.
still looks so pretty. There's something I can hear. Something in it.
It's called tiny rocks.
1.
Maybe you guys should show what's inside of the bowl.
There we go.
Good enough. Good enough. And we needed to do a 1/4 cup of coconut or vegetable oil, and I have coconut oil right here. And let's use the 1/4 cup here and pull it off. There we go.
Coconut oil.
Gosh, it smells.
There. It's kind of hard to turn the camera.
Katie.
What? Oh, okay.
But you know what? Let's use the mixer
Ooh, can I mix?
because we need to get an extension cord. I have to plug it in.
Mixing.
We'll be back.
Okay, it looks weird.
I got it.
Mix, mix, mix
Now,
on high.
Now stop.
Nope, keep going. Whoop.
There we go.
This is Indian oil.
Oh, nice. There we go. We're blending it a little more in the food processor because we were told to. The funny thing is, it really does smell like brownies. Oh my gosh.
What is that?
It smells like brownies. Smell.
Yes, it is.
It does. Pan.
Which are the steam.
Bella just greased the pan. Katie,
These are.
Bella, pour it in, girls. After Bella.
That's not happening. Okay. Let's take this out. I don't know. Teamwork.
Here. Oh, use that bowl.
So, Ellie.
Oh my gosh, this looks so good.
Yep.
So once you have it all mixed, oh no, we forgot to put the chips in.
We can add it in. What in can.
And we'll just sprinkle sprinkle the chips in. Chips.
Oh, chocolate chips.
That's it.
I was like, chips.
So they
They're chips?
say a half a cup to 2/3 cup of chocolate chips. So let's do 2/3 because you want to have more than less. So let's pour it in here. I think I added a full cup. So now, when you accidentally forget to put it in the mix, just put them on top and then we'll like squish them down.
Okay, with it.
Here.
Just spread them around.
Oh, I brought some really yummy butterscotch ones if you want to add the butterscotch
Oh
ones too.
my gosh, I love these. Can I like?
So then you, oh my gosh, it tastes like brownies, you guys. It tastes like, have you licked it yet? Have you tried it?
No, I bought a spreadsheet.
Okay, so then you
Oh my god, we have to put some.
sprinkle extra chocolate chips over the top. Cook the black bean brownies 15 to 18 minutes, then let cool at least 10 minutes before trying to cut. If they still look a bit undercooked, you can place them in, get this, if your brownies are undercooked, you place them in the fridge overnight and they magically firm up. Isn't that cool? And thank you, Chocolate Covered Katie, for your amazing recipe. Can't wait till they get out of the oven. Okay, 15 minutes, we'll be back.
Hot. Okay. The brownies out of the oven.
And you let them sit for 10 minutes.
Perfect.
They didn't look quite done, so we added it about another 4 minutes or so.
4 or 5 minutes, yeah.
Okay,
So
so hey guys, it's a little gooey, but
There's no eggs in it, so.
if you eat from the outside, it's good for now. And
And
then
Molly, there's no eggs in it. So.
Chocolate Covered Katie says you put it in your fridge overnight.
Not this, Katie.
Not this Katie, but another Katie that has a blog about healthy
Chocolate.
desserts. She
Choc-
said you put it in your fridge overnight and it magically
Yeah, 'cause there's no eggs in it.
hardens overnight. So good luck with your baking with brownies with black beans.
Oh,
It's so good.
We put butterscotch
chocolate chips.
in it, and then Katie and I ate the rest of the half the bag of it, and now we're on a sugar high, so.
You want to do what?
We already got on a sugar high because we ate all the
Sugar high.
butterscotch.
All right. Can you guys say goodbye?
Bully!
Bye.
Bully, bully.
Can we just snack on this?